Guitar Ninjas, welcome to Will It Squeal! Yeah, reverb. Today we are testing the Dean Razorback. Now, this is the dime Dean, so if it doesn't squeal, I would be surprised. But let's have a go. So we've got the floating tremolo. That gives us an extra way of squeal. There's a few different ones we can do. Gonna try them both out. We've got some crazy Seymour Duncan pickup in here. This is my amp setting. Bing! So squeal type number one is our pinch harmonic on the fatter, chunkier strings. Don't know what it is about this squeal, but I love it. I love it! Second type of squeal we're going to do is a natural harmonic around the 3rd fret, and we're going to use that tremolo arm to help it really squeal up high. So let's test this. Will it squeal? So the first squeal we are going for is the pinch harmonic on some lower frets. This is perfect for shoving into a chug. Ooh, that's sloppy. So of course it passes the first squeal test, Seymour Duncan's in a dime Dean. What do you expect? Question is, does it pass test number 2? The tremolo squeal. Now what we're going to do is a natural harmonic down the lower end, whack that, have a play around with the bar. This is actually easier if we dip first to make the string more sloppy slack, and then hit that harmonic and pull it up, and that's going to give us some beautiful squeals. Yeah, wobble! It squeals. Extra bonus, because we have the floating tremolo, we can try the poing, pring, pring. I don't know why I like that so much. Can we go for high? High poing. So the Dean Razorback, it squeals! And the best thing is, this is completely as it comes from the shop. I think they've discontinued making it, but it means there's no crazy additions. The only thing I've changed is the tone and volume controls to these awesome skulls. I'll try and get a better picture of those if that didn't work. On here, I think are Ernie Ball 9s, 9 to 42s, your standard super slinkies, because crazy bendiness, floatiness, standard tuning, all of that madness. So yeah. Strings, Ernie Balls, super slinkies, everything else complete stock apart from the skulls. I still have the old dials, but I just don't like plastic. Why? Plastic dials are ugly! That is the Dean Razorback. Will my chair stop squeaking? Anyway, that was the Dean's Anyway, that was the Dean Razorback, Will It Squeal, and of course, being a dime signature guitar, if it didn't squeal, that'd probably be me failing, not the guitar. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in a new one, and if you want to learn how to do those squeals, there is some tips on the premium version of the Guitar Ninja Academy. Links below. Check it out. See you in the next one.